new pickup. 96 DT Airmax cleats, Nike Vapor Max, whatever you want to call them. Coach Prime. Gonna be customizing these. As you know, I play paintball, so I'm gonna customize these to match my gun, which is a Lux Ace preview. So basically I'm gonna be painting the white part red, most of the white red, leave this white, red. The sock liner is gonna be done red, all this is gonna be done red, all this is gonna be done red, red, and change that check to red. So this is gonna turn into that. So yeah, gonna leave the bottom the way it is, but preview, be back shortly. Diamond Turf 96 touchdown, Coach Prime. Finally finished these. I took my time. These are my personal pair, so I wasn't really in a rush to get them done. One thing I'll say, this upper is not leather, it's like sweatpants, jogging pants material. So it took a little longer to paint for the paint to adhere, the layers and all that kind of stuff. But all in all, I'm satisfied with the way they turned out. I did red and black because that matches my paintball gun. Left this white. I left the bottom gold, of course, because that part's gonna get ran on, and that'll be the first part where the paint will come off. So I'm just leaving that the way it is. So I went with a black Nike check. On the strap, that's rubber. I left that white. Of course, get painted, it's gonna come off because it's rubber. Same with the back, this is rubber. I left that the way it is. Came out pretty good. Very satisfied with it. Very satisfied. Can't wait to wear these. With the upper, this was white. I did those in black. Again, like I said, because this is gonna match my paintball gun. I left this white because it's gonna come off anyway, because that's one of the main parts that's gonna be used for the strap going in and out. So pulling it, loosening it, tighten it, it's gonna scrape that paint off. So I just left that white to avoid any issues with that. So as far as I'm concerned, everything should stick good. And what people never tell you, NFL players, they get custom cleats all the time. They're cleats, they're painted, they're not gonna last. That paint's not gonna last on them. You might wear them 1 or 2 games and then it starts peeling. Maybe you're lucky if you get 5, 3, but eventually they're gonna peel. That's what they don't tell you. They wear them once or twice and then they put them up, but they don't let people know that. So like I said, it came out pretty good. That red and black kind of looked like Kane from wrestling. Satisfied with how it turned out. The first shoe is always like a trial run. You learn from your mistakes, but once you get to that second shoe, you know what to do to make it better, so you don't have that same issue. So that being said, I'm gonna show this. That's my paintball gun. Virtue Lux Ace, red and black chrome. As you can see, it matches the cleats. And if you want to see it as that chrome piece is that white, yeah, it's the same. They match. Think that was a good idea. But yeah, 96 DT Airmax touchdown cleats. Coach Prime. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.